I'm Mary Jean Vincent, career expert and strategist, LinkedIn expert, and salary negotiation queen. I'm here today to talk about identifying priorities during the negotiating conversation. This involves asking the right questions, preferably open ended what and how questions. What and how questions express an interest in and a desire for a fair outcome. They help you to identify what's important to the other party. On the other hand, questions that are why questions can send a message that is critical and can be counterproductive to a successful agreement. Questions like, what are your concerns? And what makes this a priority for you? Convey your desire to take the other party's needs into consideration, and they can lead to a successful agreement. Would you like to increase your skill and confidence when negotiating? Visit careercoachmonterey.com, that's careercoachmonterey.com, to find out more about one-on-one salary negotiation strategy sessions for men and women and female-friendly salary negotiation workshops. I'm Mary Jean Vincent, career expert and strategist.